Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hello little friends. Let's draw and color a starfish. Explore the underwater world and bring a starfish to life. Grab your crayons, markers, or paints and draw the starfish's unique shape.
Fantastic! Whoa!
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.